Now I put this. The microphone was unplugged. After the microphone is unplugged, I'll plug in another cable as well. What about this thread? You've entered 2 positions. Then now you fall down to the beginning position. Okay, stop preparing to record. Before the recording, I put these 2 recording clips. Clip to both ends of this wire just now. Clip it up. Of course, what's the guarantee here? Hey, don't touch these 2 1+. Don't short circuit. Split it a little. Okay, it's the same wire just now. I'm going to put the wires now, leaning against our blackboard. Do you see it? There is a big magnet on the blackboard. Now I wake up unsure. I was going to speak up at the blackboard. Look at me when I speak out loud. Can you record the sound? Hello everyone. Shaoguang Science and Education welcomes you. Welcome to Shaoguang Science and Education. Make innovation a habit. Let innovation become a habit. Okay, the recording is over. Stop it now. And then what happened? Reverse. Now click play. Take a look at what I just said. This sentence. Is it basically released from the recording? Hello everyone. Shaoguang Science and Education welcomes you. Shaoguang Science and Education welcomes you. Let innovation become a habit. Let innovation become a habit. The experiment is over. The experiment was a great success. So, this is the blackboard as a microphone experiment.